In this objective question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct option which is not coming under sexually transmitted disease. In this picture, we can see the bulged fontanelle in the encephalitis patient, which is not a sexually transmitted disease unlike option A, B and D. So what are the points we told with this picture? Let me elaborate those illustration to get the better clarity. AIDS is nothing but the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome which is caused by human immunovirus. If you're talking about trichomoniasis, is caused by Trichomoniasis vaginalis, and syphilis is caused by Trichomoniasis pallidum, or the example of the sexually transmitted diseases or renal diseases. When blood or other body fluid comes into close touch with one another, sexually transmitted disease can spread. Acute brain inflammation brought on by the bacteria, virus and other pathogen is known as encephalitis. Since it is not a sexually transmitted disease, there is no need for direct transmission through the body secretion. With this specification, we are choosing option C as a correct option to secure 4 marks after ignoring option A, B and D.